Hello teacher, I'm here going to make some fried bread, but I know you are in a diet, but I couldn't find anything good enough to make, so I'm making fried bread, but you can use olive oil to fry it, so it isn't that healthy, but you can eat it, okay? So first, you need to sift 240 grams of flour, you'll need a teaspoon of dried yeast, you need a tablespoon of sugar, and you just start mixing it up real quick. Okay, you got here your flour, sugar, and dried yeast. And you need the thing that I forgot that I will take it now. Just a second. Okay, coming back here, you need a teaspoon of powdered baking powder, I think. That's how you say it, I don't know. So you need to mix a little. Okay. Now you need an egg here. You need a quarter of a cup of olive oil and a quarter cup of water and just a little splash of vanilla extract. And I'm messing it all up. Okay, I'm kind of nervous here, so you need to mix it up very well. Break the jam. And here, I committed the worst mistake of my life that will probably cost my grade. The yolk, I'm sorry. The yolk of the egg. You can use your hands or a spoon. I prefer using my hands because I am in contact with the food that I'm making. So you can continue mixing until you got a good dough here. So after that you need to put a pinch of salt, but not too much. It's actually your decision here, but put in the last because you can kill the yeast of the dough and you don't want that. So now you take a towel, and this dough will be resting for a couple of hours, 1 to 2 hours. And if your dough is too dry, you can add a little of water, just a little. So now she will be rising up, and later, here I won't show my face because I want you to see how I work with the dough. So we'll do a little ball shape. So after you start rolling, and one ahead, one back, you turn dough and keep going, just like that. How I said, try to do some circular shapes like this. Turn though. Okay, Now you take your knife and you cut it like you cut a pizza, just in triangles here. It will be 8 pieces in total, so try to use a sharp knife. Mine isn't as sharper as it need to be. Then you just put a towel, cover it with a towel, and let it rest for about 30 minutes. So after oil heated up, you need to take this and put to fry, and I will show you later. So it will be like this. You can put a little bit of sugar, but don't let the oil get too hot because they can stay a little burn like this one. But it's done, and thank you.